Hello, I am Mario Mediterraneo and today I'm gonna show and teach how perform cat and cow. That exercise is really good for your back movement and also for the flexibility of spine. If you have some kind of pain or hurt, it's really good to relieve the tension and relieve the stress in your complete body. So from Vajrasana pose, we go to tabletop position. Make sure that your shoulders are in the same line with the hands and also the hips are in the same line with the knee. Now we're gonna start from the tailbone, from the bottom part of the back, lower part of the back, and arc little by little, vertebra to vertebra, until the upper part of the back. We're gonna perform this one always with a soft inhalation, okay? Then when you go to the upper part of the back, you're gonna bring your chest down, okay? You're gonna try to push your chest down, and finally we're gonna arc our neck. You can look forward, or for more challenging, you can also look up and make the completely stretch of your throat and of your neck. You are in the neutral pose, and by inhalation, arc little by little from bottom to top and look up. From here, this is cow pose. We go to the cat pose. In the cat pose, we're gonna round the back again from the lower part, little by little, to the upper part of the back. We're gonna press with the hands down, and we're gonna push our chest up. At the same time, we're gonna round our neck until the point that you can tap the chin with the chest. This we're gonna perform by exhalation, okay? So I'm gonna show now complete. You are here in the neutral pose and perform cow by arc the back, inhalation up, and now slowly round your back from bottom to top and tap the chin with the chest. Again, round slowly vertebra by vertebra from bottom to top. Look up by inhalation and by exhalation. Round the back, press the hands to the floor and tap the chin to the chest. You can do this one very slow to be aware of every single movement of vertebra, or also you can do more fast to do one dynamic cat and cow. Inhale, exhale, arc, inhale, round, exhale. In another videos, I can teach you also how to apply some kind of pranayamas like Bastrika, forceful exhalation and inhalation with cat and cow. This we're gonna see in other videos. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you have a nice and beautiful day.